So we have a patient today who has come from
Germany, Frankfurt.
Frankfurt in Germany. Wow. Okay, so you've come from Frankfurt Frankfurt, Germany, to the beautiful city of Birmingham in the UK. Do you know this is the best city in Europe?
Really?
I know you don't believe me, but this is the best city in Europe. So you've had these lesions for quite a few years. How many years have you had them?
Since childhood.
Since childhood?
I can remember, like about 5.
5 years old?
Yeah. I think so.
Very early. So have they stopped you from wearing any shoes?
Yes, I don't like to wear open shoes.
You don't like to wear open toe sandals? Okay, so out of all the options that we gave you, you opted to have skin surgery. Why skin surgery?
To get rid of the lesions.
To get rid of the lesions?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do the skin surgery in a short while. We've made some custom-made props that you're gonna be using afterwards to keep your toes straight, and we're gonna give you some other advice so that these never come back again. What are you most looking forward to after your toes are healed up?
Just being free. I don't know, wearing open toes.
Open toes too?
Yeah.
Walking on the beach?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah? Think about your ideal situation. What shoes would you like to wear? Where would you like to go?
Yeah, I think the beach.
The beach?
So, sandals, yeah.
Sandals on the beach. All right. Let's get your feet beach ready.
Yeah.
All finished. All the toes done. Patient's ready to go back to Frankfurt in Germany.